So you guys, this is pizza waffles.
The main ingredients.
The main ingredients, okay?
Add whatever you will on the side if you like your pizza a certain way.
Okay, so you guys are gonna watch him make it, because in the future, this is what I'm gonna have.
Start by toasting your waffle.
And don't mind his arms, they're a bit too hairy.
Hey, I'm a fuzzy person. It's all natural. Whatever. We're talking about food here. And toast it to your desired toastiness. Plug in the toaster. Always a good piece of advice. And wait.
Okay.
Usually during this time we have some good conversation of some sort.
Yeah.
Talk about politics.
No, no politics.
What? No politics?
No.
Oh, but that's always a clickbait one.
Okay, so we have Primo, Italian style blend, mozzarella.
One of my favorite cheese combinations.
If you guys seen that, yeah.
If they saw it, I even saw that. All right.
So this dude is still in his pajamas.
This isn't my pajamas. This is my around the house clothes.
Okay.
It's very, very in.
Okay.
That's right.
All right. So yeah.
We're here talking about food, not about my fashion wear choices, whatever.
Okay, Carpet, say hi.
This
to
is how we
everybody.
kill time while we wait for things to toast.
Carpet.
Clean my glasses so I can see.
Alright. So in the meantime, let me show you what's in the freezer. We do not have a lot right now, but so these are the bagels. Oh, I have not tried this yet. Bubbly sparkling water, which is in grapefruit.
Sparks all right.
Oh, a bunch of water because, you know, water is life. And we are just gonna wait until these pizza waffles. Wow, I need to clean that toaster. I apologize. Oh, look, fuzzball.
Fuzzball.
Yeah,
He's guarding my sandals.
yeah.
Are you just leaving? Did we say something to offend you? No? Get out.
Hey, that's good for the camera.
That's right.
You just killed it. That was really okay. You know.
I'm just kidding.
No, you weren't kidding, because you didn't know I was videotaping still. Alrighty then. So, what? Go.
A question mark. Meow. It's not a meow, it's a meow.
Alright, while this guy does his glasses, okay.
Well done.
So, Carpet, do you want to say hi to YouTube?
You're like a giant ferret. Yeah. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute.
Well, you want more? You like that when I do that? Look at your tail all curly. Mr. Curly Tails.
And give us a couple chirps. Yeah, chirp like a bird. He looks like a cat, but he's actually a bird sometimes.
Yep.
Yeah. Come on, bird. Give us a little chirp.
If you guys can hear that, he's chirping. Not him, but him.
It's how I set it off. I trigger it. Right?
Alright, so are those, I guess, those have to pop
When
up
that pops
first?
up, then it's ready to go.
Alright.
Takes a little time. I can already smell it.
Alright.
I usually go for a light toast versus a dark toast because the dark toast kind of ruins the flavor of everything else you put on top of it afterwards with the sauce and the cheese and blah, blah.
Oh, yeah.
So you just need that light brown toast of it because it just gives you the perfect flavor combination.
That's right.
That's just my opinion.
Alright, well, we're just gonna sit here and wait till
That's
this
right. I'm
pops
so glad
up.
I'm so pretty.
Yeah. I looked down to your pajama pants.
I'm just gonna do this.
Are you serious? Okay, he's being a little douche.
Oh, I'm just trying to douche the time. I'm time douchey. Time douchey.
All right.
It's getting there. Oh. See? You had a few laughs before you're waiting. No one's bored. Because you're watching my rambling. How could you be possibly bored?
All right,
Bored?
so you say what you have to say. With me.
All right, now you add the sauce. In whatever manner suits your purpose. All right. Spread it. Make sure you cover all the holes.
That's what he said.
That's what she said. That's what they said. That's a lot of holes. Okay. Woo.
Okay.
Always lick your knife because it's good.
All right.
And then we go to the cheese. Ooh, stinky cheese. I'm feeling Italian already.
Look at that.
Put the desired amount of cheese on. Of course, toppings are an option if you want to add them. Although I do not, because I just go for the pure cheese of it. You can put on pepperoni, you can put on whatever the heck your heart's desire. I'm not prejudiced when it comes to food, except for when it's going in my mouth. Then I'm specific. Some more. Just creating this little middle pile because creating a pile in the middle with cheese in general, always when you're melting it afterwards, whether it's in the oven or the microwave, causes it to spread out. So
Look at this Mennonite.
that's right, this cheese is my bitch.
Cheesy bitch.
I'm gonna milk this bitch for what it's worth. Oh yeah.
All right.
First meal of the day. Sorry for my pickiness, but I don't want any cheese melting on the plate, if possible, but that's almost impossible. For the most part, get most of it on your pizza.
And then after this, what happens?
After this, you have the option of either taking it and putting it in the oven, which I have no patience for. When I'm hungry, I'm hungry.
Yep.
So I put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes, not even. Depending on how long it takes to melt the cheese. So, microwave is next.
All right.
High power, of course. There's no like specific temperature. Just radically nuke it, and you shall be rewarded. Boom.
Okay, you guys.
Look at that. No mess. No fuss. It's done. Well, it's not done, but it's done as far as I need to do.
Should I wait until it's done so I can show them?
Sure.
Might as well, right?
Of course.
Since I don't know how to edit yet.
Yes, editing will be something down the road to learn. So our YouTuber viewers will have to just bear with us.
Yep.
See, I chose the right shirt today. This is my Walter White I Can Make Anything shirt.
And here's the rug that.
Yeah. He's a part-time carpet.
Yep.
He's a full-time rug.
Yep.
Once in a while, he'll play a sock puppet. You want to see? Sock puppet. Watch this. Here's a sock puppet cat right here. All right. Look who's my sock puppet. See? Now he'll do anything I want him to do sitting there. He thinks he's supposed to sit here for some reason. I don't know why. Most cats would be like, I'm out of here. Get me off.
Yeah.
But not him.
He loves his.
He's just like, nope. This is my podium. Hello, everybody. Mer, mer, mer. Sock puppet. Sock puppet cat. Notice how he just refuses to look into the lens?
Yep. Hello.
Nope, I don't want to look. Nope. Nope, I'm shy. I'm TV shy.
20 more seconds.
Ooh. Let's see how it looks in there. time to go, sock puppet.
Okie dokie. Say bye.
Daddy's hungry.
Mm-hmm.
Do-do-do-do.
Make sure you put it on the table so I can see.
Yes. Alright. Ooh, yeah, I think that's frying actually. Probably overkilled it a little bit, but you actually kind of want to do that because you get a nice. Oh, yes. Listen to the cheese.
Look at that, you guys. That is beautiful.
You can never really overdo it because when you over fry cheese in the microwave or in the oven, it always is better. It tastes better for some reason. Something happens in the molecules that just makes it just taste so good.
Okay, that was it, you guys. So,
Yep. Time to eat.
all right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.